it's your girl Mel and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back if you're returning. So y'all, I've been saving this for you guys because I know when I did this Yankee twist in the other color, the brighter color, I forgot the name of it, but when I was pregnant, I did that video. Y'all ate it up. Y'all ate it up, you loved it, you wanted just to know everything about the hair. So I was like, I'm gonna do that style again. And also it was a very cute style, but I was thinking of like the right time. Anyway, we are back with the style again. And baby, babes, we did a different cut this time and it's giving. So this hair is from Crochet Braids Plus. Same company it was from last time, but we are trying a different color. This is like a spicy cinnamon type brown, perfect for the holiday season. It gives you like a little bit of pop, but just like, you know, it's not too much. It's not as bright as like a summer color you do, but it just gives you a little bit. And I feel like it complements like brown skin just beautifully. I did a different cut this time as well. Last time I did like more than one side, did that type of shape. This I tried to do like a little bit of like a curly cut on, and I love it. I feel like it almost resembles, like when you look at it at first glance, you can't tell if it's like, you know, like a curly afro or a twist. It's like an in-between of both. And I feel like that's why I really love this hair. And that's why it gravitates towards a lot of people as well. So I feel like I've tried to find this hair like something similar from other companies or on Amazon and stuff, or the beauty supply. And I feel like this company is the only company that sells hair that looks like this. Like I cannot find it anywhere else. If you guys know where else, let me know, because I know a few of you guys commented about the pricing and not knowing if it's worth it. And I kind of wanted to clear that up a bit. In my opinion, it's worth it because the hair is reusable, like 100%. It did not tangle on me or anything, and you can keep it in for a long time. You can wash it. I actually washed this before I installed it and it's perfectly fine. It didn't shed, it didn't do anything. It's a tiny twist, so like for it to do that, I wouldn't really expect that to happen anyway. But I think the hair is worth it. You only need one pack. Does your whole head. I got this full luscious look with just one pack of hair, and you can still have hair left over if you don't want it that full. With that being said, let's get into this video. I'm trying to think, you guys asked me anything else that I didn't go over. I know last video we were having a bit of difficulty with the link, and some of y'all was really acting crazy and coming for me like I was gatekeeping. I don't know why I do that. Why would I spend so much time making a video to share with you guys to not share links for you guys to do it yourself? Like that's the whole point. Something happens, a lot of times it's YouTube that hides links, and I don't know what to do when they do that, but I try to respond to as much comments as possible. And in the video, I mentioned where the hair from is as well. So yeah, if that happens again, please refrain from like the nasty comments. Like it's not fun. It's not nice. I spent a lot of time making these videos and like sharing new styles with you guys, and like I love my community, so I don't appreciate it when, you know, you guys kind of come with like, and not all you guys, just a few, aggression, when it's just like ask a question. I'm not doing it intentionally. I did put the link there. YouTube keeps removing the link. I don't know why. Enough of that. Let's get into this video and let me show you guys how to do this again.
Okay, so starting with the braid down, this is the pattern I went with. I honestly had a style in before. I had a glue in and I just took it out because I didn't have it in for long and just kept the same braid down, but it worked for the style. So yeah, but there's lots of other braid downs you guys can use as well. So these are the products that you're going to pretty much need to accomplish this style. I'll also link everything in the description box below. So I'm gonna begin crocheting the back. So what I pretty much do, I don't use one piece of hair. I take about 3 to 4 pieces together, like strands together, and I loop it through. Crocheting is pretty self-explanatory for the most part, but I kind of just feel around and just try to fill up the spot as best as possible. You don't have to only crochet into the braid. I crochet into like where the braid isn't as well, because you just want to make sure you're filling up all the gaps. So I would say you want the back to kind of be the fullest out of like, you know, your whole head. So essentially the same method applies to the front until we get to the very top. I'm still gonna apply more than one piece at a time just to fill it up, and also just makes it go by a lot faster. If you were to do one piece each time, like this would probably take forever to do. So as you can see, now that I'm in the front, I'm only doing one at a time because I want it to look as natural as possible. So now for shaping the hair, I decided to go with like kind of a curly cut, some bangs, and kind of cutting some of the length off as well. I just wanted it a little bit shorter. But yeah, you don't have to be like a pro at cutting hair. I'm definitely not. I just kind of did it to frame my face. So I suggest doing a little at a time, because if you cut too much and you mess up, you obviously can't go back. So I really took my time and kind of just like, you know, cut, fluffed, make sure that I like it, and then like did the other side to match.
That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this color, this cut. Are y'all feeling this more or less than the other one that I did before, or is it like equal? Also, I'm probably gonna keep wearing this hair for a while, but they have so many different colors, so I'd like to try other ones. So let me know what other colors you'd want to see me try before y'all go and spend the money and try it. I can definitely do that for you guys. Yeah, see you next week.